Okay, so for part 2, let's take a look at number 7 here. Now, number 7 is a little bit tougher because they're giving me the 4th term and they're giving me the 13th term. I don't have the first term, but I have to find both A1 and the common difference. So let's go ahead and get the common difference first. That's pretty easy to get. The common difference, remember, it's just going to be from our formula, a sub 13 minus a sub 4 over 13 minus 4. Very easy to get. And that becomes 65 minus 20 over 9, which is 5. So our common difference is 5. Now to get a 1 here, we're going to use a little bit of a trick here, a little bit of mathematical trickery here. Nothing terribly too bad. We are going to use our formula again. Remember, it's a sub n equals a sub 1 plus d times n minus 1. I'm going to use either one of these. I will use a 20. So the 20th, this is my 4th term, so it's 20 equals my first term plus my common difference of 5. Remember, n is 4 now, so it's 4 minus 1. So using a little bit of math, we get 20 minus 15, and we get 5. So my equation, a sub n equals my 5 plus 5 n minus 1. And there's our equation right there. So what I would like you guys to do is see if you guys can try number 8. It's our recursive one, okay? Now, let's take a look down here. We want to write the first 5 terms of a sequence. This is pretty easy to do. It gives me my first term and what my common difference is. So it's 4. What's my next number? I'm subtracting 0.5, so it's 3.5, 3, 2.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. But remember, put the plus dot, dot, dot at the end there to say that it does go on. Write the first 5 terms here. This is kind of a neat one right here. We don't know what the first term is. So guess what we got to generate again? We have to get the first term and the common difference. Well, the common difference is pretty easy. It's a sub 10 minus a sub 4 over the 10 minus 4. So we get 46 minus 16 over 6, and our common difference is 5. Now, what's kind of neat for this one, I can actually work it backwards, but let's practice finding a sub 1 again. So we're going to get a sub n equals the first term plus d times n minus 1. So to get first term, I'll use my first one. 16 equals a sub 1 plus d, which we said was 5. This is 4, so we get 4 minus 1. So my first term equals, that's my first term, that's 15. 16 minus the 15 here is 1. So I got my first term. So now, if I want to look at my first 5 terms, we get 1. My common difference is 5, so I get 6. What's my next one? 11, 16, 21, dot, dot, dot. And there's our answer right there. Try this one again. It's not too bad to do. All right. Next one, find the indicated term. So we need to find a sub n. We need to find the equation. So what do we need? Write out a sub n. We need the first term plus the common difference n minus 1. So I'm going to find my common difference first. We've been practicing with this. We're good at this now. We get the second term, a sub 2 minus a sub 1 over 2 minus 1. I guess I really didn't have to do it this time because I'm going from one to the next one. Our common difference is obviously 9. But let's pretend like I didn't know that. 12 minus 3 over 1, which is, 9. There it is, just like we said. So a sub n, you don't have to do it like this for this problem, but the next one we will. My first term, they tell me, is 3, because there's my first term, plus 9, and I get n minus 1. If I want to find a sub 9, plug in my 9. 3 plus 9, 9 minus 1, 3 plus 72, we get 75. And there we go. Okay, I made that one a little bit harder than what it really was. Tomorrow in class, maybe we can go over that one again, just to show you how easy that one could be. But for number 2, we don't. I guess we do, actually, because take a look. Oh, look for a sub 7. They give me the first and second term. So let me show you how to do number 1. the easy way with number 2, because it's the same type of problem. Ready? I want to get the common difference. Well, because I'm going from 1 to 2, it's just going to be 6.6 minus 4.2, which is, 1.4. Oops, sorry, 2.4. There's my common difference. So my rule, a sub n equals my first term, 4.2, plus 2.4 times n minus 1. So if I want to find my 7th term, 4.2 plus 2.4, plug in 7, and I'm going to use a calculator for this one because decimals are not my friend. So we get a sub 7 equals, ready? I'm going to go 4.2 plus 2.4 times 6. So 4.2 plus 2.4 times 6, and I get 18.6. Okay, you could have done it the other way here too. I like this way too because it's a very mathematical way. It's how we did number 2 up here and number 7 and number 6 up there. Kind of fun to do. All right, so that's all you notice for today. So try these again if you need to. We'll see you guys in class tomorrow. Make sure you come with questions, okay? Bye, guys.